Jesus is real. Yeah. Sometimes feeling low, nowhere to go. Here comes along and it makes me real strong. Jesus is real. I can feel him in my head, feel him in my feet. Yeah. All over. Say it again. I know. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Jesus is real. Yeah. Oh. He's real. Yeah. The Lord is. I tried it late one Saturday night, and I found out the Lord is. The Lord is real. Yeah. Anybody remember? Never shall forget. Real joy I've got it. Never knew. Can't forget. Can't forget it. Can't forget it. What you done. whenever you want him, the Lord will. Can I get a witness? I'll sanctify the windows. Good big. The Lord will. Show us. God have mercy. Old school. Church, the Lord is. The Lord is. The Lord is. The Lord is. Oh God. The storm and rain. Oh. Friend of you. The Lord will. The Lord is. Fred Hammond's not here with me, but I'm gonna rock a song we did a few years back. If you're waiting on God, don't you give up. Y'all gotta scream this right here.
One thing that I learned was if it's working for me, don't give up. Don't give up.
Look at your name.
Look at your neighbor tonight and say, no matter what you go through, what you gotta do, don't give up.
Don't
give up.
wait.
Wait on it. Wait on it.
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 Wait on it. Wait on God. Don't you give up. Wait. 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 I wrote this song to encourage all of my friends and family, followers and fans. You don't
know my story.
Keon, this one is for you.
You don't know the things that I've come through.
Oh God.
You cannot imagine the pain, the trials I've had to.
Oh, you don't know.
You don't know my story.
God.
You don't know the day He said
I was in my Lord.
you cannot imagine
When I realized that.
strongholds and the walls that
Yo,
say.
wait, listen. I'm delivered.
Here's my story.
Oh my God.
Life and favor upon me. He brought me out.
Hey. I'm delivered.
I'm delivered.
Oh my.
Here's my story.
Life.
Life and favor upon me. He brought me out.
Yeah, you don't.
You don't know.
So let me tell it.
Let me tell it.
My.
Life and favor upon me. He brought me out.
encouraged tonight, wherever you are, to know that God didn't bring you this far to leave you by yourself. For those that have a real testimony, that's why I wrote this song. Because everybody has a story. I don't care what you've gone through. I need you to smile right now. Like you just believe everything's going to work out. And don't tell everybody your business. Matter of fact, remind them right now. Everybody say, you don't know my story.
You don't know my story.
Oh my. Said again, you don't know my story.
You don't know my story.
Oh, you don't know my story.
You don't know my story.
I got a real one, real one. Oh, you don't know my story.
You don't know my story.
Hey, that's it, that's it.